You're going the wrong way. You're gonna go in a circle. Sit in the middle. There you go, baby. Get it. There you go. You're going the wrong way. There you go. You're going in a circle. He's retarded.
I ain't never been on a boat before.
Hey, ready for the gators.
There you go.
Got me, look, gator jacket, gator shirt, about to go put on my gator pants, my gator hat, my gator shoes.
There you go. You want to use my gator purse?
Huh?
You want to use my gator purse?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah?
hey, you just
No.
I
I got
it. For keeping the red and the black on.
Yeah, you look like two different teams right now. Red and black and Gators.
See if I'm gator short.
Oh.
Is this your first time ever?
Uh-oh, brother-in-law.
Who voted for Georgia?
Hey, I'll never do that again. I'll tell you what, I'm not one of them. I'm either Gator or Florida is my school.
I'm about to go in the boat.
Man, that was scary. You know how scary that was?
Really? It was scary?
Hell yeah.
Why?
You out there, you man.
You scared?
Hell,
I'm about to
scary.
get in the boat.
I'm finna jump out that bitch.
I'm about to get in the boat with a rope on it.
Oh, y'all been going out there with the rope?
Yeah.
Do I look like half?
Okay, you look like a Georgia Gator fan.
There you go.
Florida, all day, every day.
You better.
How was your ride?
Scary. I was petrified. I didn't think I was coming. I thought I was going to have to jump out and swim back.
Change.
Hey, I would have jumped out of it.
Do you got a pair of gator shorts? Gator shoes?